Dude, that's your problem.
Don't touch Janet! What's wrong? Hey, baby! Speak! Man, just another boring day.
Are you here for the 3 o'clock?
Yeah, I'm here for the 3 o'clock, but, do I have to see someone else, or are you just the receptionist?
Sit down and shut up. So what seems to be the problem?
Well, my wife, she passed away recently, and her plug-in got corroded.
Was her name Janet?
That's a good question. Yeah, her name was Janet. She was a D22 microwave. She was so nice.
You took my Janet? Now I gotta take your life, buddy.